the moment, tonight is the night.
Hey guys, it's Crypto Meal Analysis coming at you with an update video on Aventus. The reason why I'm making an update video is because I got super chatted, so I wanted to make a quick update video on Aventus. And again, thank you so much for the super chat. That's amazing, that's awesome, and I really appreciate it. So Aventus market cap is 22 million, fully diluted is 36 million. This coin came out in 2017. I can't find a chart that goes back that high, but knowing that the previous all-time high was $11. And the recent all-time high here hit around $5.34. I'll base my targets off of those because I'm on the DEX screener and it actually has the graph starting 2021. So again, the coin is very, it's very old, but it's only on Coinbase, Gate.io, and BitTrue. So that's very interesting to me. So yeah, let's get right into it. It is also a small cap, so keep in mind that it has plenty of room for growth and plenty of room opportunity for going extremely high. So let's change it to log, and let's take it from this recent high to the low and see where we are, and then I'll look at a macro time frame for you. So also you want to look at the RSI, the stock RSI. As you can see, the RSI is neutral right now, and the stock RSI is extremely bullish. So usually what it can do is it could hang around here, make a higher high, and yeah, you know the drill basically. So let me delete those. Let's take our fit from this high to this local low, and what we have to do is we have to go over here, change it to log, since we changed our graph to log. So as you can see, this is like the best case scenario. So it went all the way back to the previous high here. As you can see, it got rejected, and now it's retesting the 618 at $2.99. It looks like it bounced from it once, and it's bouncing from it twice. So as long as we stay over $2.99, the next area is 463, followed by $8, and the 1618 from this high. So I'm going to give you two highs because, again, the previous all-time high was when it first came out in 2017. So if the first high, we're going to look at that separately because, again, I can't find the graph for it. So conservatively speaking, this is going to be the lower number. So in this bull run, where this can go is it can, as long as it maintains obviously this uptrend, which it looks like it's doing almost perfectly. So you can expect some sort of maybe consolidation and going into June, July, followed by double top, followed by a blow off top, right? With everything playing out, and if the uptrend stays, if the uptrend continues. So if it breaks $8.09, then expect the price to be anywhere between $8 and $40, which is, I want to say, from the current price, it is around a 10x. If you want to be ultra bullish, then and if it does break $40 in whatever case and whatever reason, then you're looking at, moon boy status. This thing went to the absolute moon, anywhere from $40 to $547. Keep in mind that with this 10x, that would only put the market cap at 300 million. So if it goes to $400, that would put it still under $5 billion market cap. So it would still put the market cap at around $4 billion if it goes to $400. So that's really crazy. That's really bullish in my opinion, because again, this is a very, very low market cap gem. And again, it's not dead because, as you can see, there's volume, and we are bullish, confirmed bullish over the 618, and we're maintaining this uptrend. So it tagged the 618 twice, and it bounced from support. So that's really bullish in my opinion. From the low to the high, as you can see, we're sitting on the 382. So yeah, we broke down twice, but we were managing to get above the 382. Currently, the price is $3.69, and the 382, as you can see from the low to the high, is $3.68. So the next area of resistance is going to be 560. So again, I do expect us to bounce around maybe for a month or two, followed by a move up. If not, it's probably going to be sooner. And as long as we stay over 368, that's perfect. If not, then the next area of support that you should know is $2.62. Okay, so now let's take our fib from $11 because that's where the previous all-time high was. So if you take your fib from, if I can manage it, okay, so from this to here, then what you're looking at is, it's funny because it double topped almost, right? So back in 2017, 7 years ago, when it was at $11, which is what it shows on CoinMarketCap, it actually already hit the top, and now it barely came back and tagged the 618. It didn't even fall back down to 618 in that case. So in this scenario, which is again not the super conservative, but this is the ultra bullish case, then you're looking at anywhere between $11, which it already tagged, to $116. All which it still like matches basically my other analysis, but this just means that if it goes up, then you're looking at not $500 but $5,000, which is, I think it's crazy. So if you're talking about a 10x from the 2618 using the previous all-time high that's recorded to this low. So keep that in mind, that in a macro perspective, this thing can land anywhere between 116 and 5K, which would still put the market cap at, let's just say, 50 billion. So in my opinion, if this coin is good, and if this coin is like making a lot of partnerships and growing, then just know that it is possible, because if a meme coin could hit 80 to 100 billion, there's no reason why a coin with a use case and utility can't go to $50 billion, and then even from there you retrace 90%, you come back down to 500, right? So anyway, just food for thought. That's my ultra bullish scenario, and also my super conservative. I would lean more towards the super conservative. So again, if you want those targets, just rewind it and go through my first section. I think that's more realistic, anywhere from from $40 to $484 or $500. Let's just say $40 to $500 is very more realistic. But again, it can go to 5K, and depending on the partnerships and everything like that, you should know that. Anyway, thank you so much for the super chat. Please like, subscribe, comment. Thank you so much for your support, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.